Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today. I'm gonna try to film this and edit it and get it up on the same day because yesterday, Lush on Friday the 13th, so this will either go up today or tomorrow, the 14th or the 15th. So much math and dates for you. But the point is, yesterday on Friday the 13th, Lush sent me a PR package of their new Halloween goodies and it went up for sale online. It will be in store available on September 27th, so 2 weeks-ish, but it is there online, so I wanted to film this and get it up as soon as possible for you. I think it's a really fun range this year. They brought back some old faves, which I don't have, but I will show you in a close-up, and I'll talk about those in a minute. But to my knowledge, they released, oh, I do have a couple of old favorites. Whatever, we'll get to that. To my knowledge, they released 3 or 4 new items, and then this year they're also incorporating a lot of their like skincare and hair care into it, and it's just a really fun, like, well-rounded collection. So I'll have a link to everything down below. I'll link everything individually, and then I'll have like a master link so you can check out the entire Halloween collection if you're interested. I'm wearing my quartz crown today that I bought to wear on my 30th birthday, which is in about a month, but I thought I'd wear it today because it was like Friday the 13th full moon appropriate. I charged it in the moon. Feeling good. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to pull up the trusty Lush app because that tells me what things smell like, what they're called, how much they are, all that crap. So before we get into the new stuff, let's touch on the old faves. So of course, Lord of Misrule is back. I will insert a close-up of it. It's one of my favorites. It is green and the inside is kind of like a wine purple color. So when you use it in your tub, it's kind of like blood red and it's amazing. It smells really, really good. It smells similar to Twilight. So if you like the Twilight or Sleepy range, it kind of smells similar to that. And that one they usually keep around all the way through Christmas. So if you get addicted to it, it's here for a while. And it's been coming back. I think this is like its 5th or 6th year. I love it and I'm happy it's coming back. I will be ordering these things I'm mentioning now. Another repeat fave is the Monsters Ball Bath Bomb. It is so cute. It is pink. It has blue horns and then 1 Cyclops eye. It is so cute. I don't really remember how it smells, to be honest. Let me read here. Basically, it's fruity. So it says it's fruity lime and neroli scented. So I'm definitely going to be ordering that as well. And then of course they brought back the Sparkly Pumpkin, which I think the Sparkly Pumpkin has been around for as long as I've been doing Lush hauls pretty much. I love it. I always say it's like the best gift to give somebody if their birthday is in October because it's a cute little pumpkin. It smells really good and it's cute, and I love the bubble bars because I feel like you get the most bang for your buck because you can use them like so many times. I could probably use that pumpkin like 6 or 7 times. Now I do have a couple returning faves. First up is the Bewitched bubble bar, which this one's eyes are a little bit janky, but that's okay. I love her anyway. It smells so good to me. It smells like the Peeping Santa bubble bar. It smells like the strawberries and cream one, kind of like the strawberries bath bomb, which I learned is not being discontinued. It's being kept around. Some of those like new bath bombs for their like anniversary, which I will link that video up in the corner. They came out with like I think over 50 bath bombs or something. Some of them are being discontinued, but a lot of my favorites are staying, so I am pumped, including the strawberry. But that's what this smells like. I wouldn't say it makes your bath black like it says it does, but it does make it a nice dark gray, and it doesn't stain too bad. I've had much worse like dark things stain the tub, but even if it like leaves a little bit of color, it will rinse away with the next couple of showers, so it's nothing that bothers me or Bradley too much. Well, me, I don't know if it bothers Bradley, but I'm just assuming he's fine. So I think this is its 3rd year returning. I'm not positive. I know it's at least its 2nd. I totally love it. I've gotten it the last couple times it was out, and I'm happy to have another one. So yay! And then one more returning favorite that I got. This is the, I don't even know what it's called. It's very slippery though, because he was a little bit dirty from being in the package with other things. I had to wash him off, and now he's slippery. It smells like lemongrass, which I normally don't like lemongrass, but for some reason I like the way this smells. So this is the Ghost in the Dark soap. It glows in the dark, as the title foreshadows, hints at. What is my hair doing? So yeah, like I said, it smells like lemongrass, very like citrusy, very bright. It smells like Fruit Loops, to be honest. That's why I like the way it smells. And he has a cute little face. You'll see in his close-up, but oh, he's so cute. So yes, got the little soap, and I will show you it glowing in the dark. I will insert a clip because it is pretty magical. Okay, now we have a couple of new bath time fun things. First up, we have the Pumpkin Bath Bomb. This is called the Pumpkin Pumpkin, which I love to say pumpkin. That's fun. So this to me smells like citrus and cinnamon. It smells really, really good. It smells very earthy citrus though, but I just love the little pumpkin bath bomb. You can't beat that. I'm having a hard time remembering if they've had this in the past. I feel like they have, or maybe it was a soap. I'm not positive, but I love it and I'm so excited to use it. And then I think my favorite from this whole thing is the Mercury in Retrograde bath bomb. This thing smells so incredible. I've had this box for just a couple of days. Like, it smells so good, and it smells unlike anything I've smelled from Lush before. It's like a few things mixed together. This has ginger, lemon, gardenia, and cinnamon, and that sounds like a really weird combination, but it smells like out of this world. When I ordered those Monster Ball and Lord of Misrule bath bombs, I'm gonna order like 2 more of these. I haven't even used it yet, but the smell alone is incredible. And I love the coloring of it. So it's orange, but it has black and purple and green. And oh my gosh, there's popping candy. I'm just really, really excited about this, and I can't wait to use it. So yeah, that is probably my favorite of all the things. Okay, and then the last new thing that I have is quite messy, but it looks super duper fun. This is the Boo Shower Slime. No tricks, just treats with this bubblegum scented slime. So basically it's like a shower gel, but it's a slime type situation, which I feel like they've had something like this before. This is bubblegum scented, which typically isn't my favorite, but it smells like Snow Fairy, so if you've smelled that, that's kind of a good gauge. It's more of a fruity bubblegum scent, which makes me not hate it as much because I really don't care for bubblegum. And I'm gonna try to get like an in-action shot of this, but it is black, and it just makes your body black as you wash your body. And I can't say anything about if it stains your skin, if it stains your tub. I mean, Lush products normally don't stain your skin. Actually, it smells really good. So I'm nervous and excited about this. Either way, I think that is super fun. If you are a huge Lush fan and a huge Halloween fan, like, this is right up your alley to just be like washing yourself with black slime in the shower. Like, that is great. So I think this is a really fun product. And then they sent a couple little extra things. Like I said, they're including more of their skincare that would like work as far as Halloween into the Halloween range, which I think is cool. So first up we have Magic Crystals, which they did send me this over Christmas in like a Christmas gift box, and I totally loved it. My only beef with this was how messy it left the shower, but like that's not a big deal. I can rinse that away. But it is a bright purple scrub. It is so fun. It smells like peppermint. It smells really, really good. And it's just very invigorating. And I love Lush scrubs because they tend to be very gritty and kind of very abrasive, which is what I prefer in a body scrub. And so this is called Magic Crystals. I don't know if I said that, but it smells amazing and it works amazing. And it's dark purple, so it might leave a little bit of color in your shower, but it will eventually rinse away. And I loved it. And then they sent me, which they already sent me this, so I'm excited to have another one, the Twilight Shower Jelly. Shower jellies are kind of just creepy on their own. I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna plop this out into my hand if I can. Oh, there it goes. So it's just like this creepy blob of shower gel. I got a lot of tips from you guys saying to pull chunks of it off and use it that way and it lasts longer. I think Lush markets it as using the whole thing at once, like a bar of soap, but it is pretty sturdy even though it's so jelly-like. Yeah, I haven't played around with these too much, to be honest. I'm a little terrified of them, but I do want to try it because it's Twilight, my favorite scent. But it is so beautiful to look at. I'll show you in a close-up. But yeah, that's just a fun little thing. That would be fun for kids too, because it's kind of like Flarp. Is that what that stuff was called? The stuff in the jar where you'd stick your finger in and it would like fart at you? It's kind of like that. But yeah, now my hands are all flarpy. And I think the last thing I wanted to mention, which I'm not positive if it's new, I'm not sure if it came out last year as well, but they have a pumpkin spice lip scrub. Something tells me that that's new because I don't remember ever seeing that. And I wanted to order it, and I still might, but I have 2 backup lip scrubs and they are natural and like fresh. They don't last forever, but it also takes forever to use one up. So I don't think it's smart for me to buy one. But if you want a lip scrub, you're into pumpkin spice, they do have it. Like I said, I will list everything down below. But yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Lush for sending. I should have stated that this is not a sponsored video. They just sent for my consideration and I considered to share. You guys know I love doing Lush videos. I will link my Lush playlist up in the corner of all the Lush videos I've ever done. And yeah, I'm just really so excited about Halloween Lush stuff. Like every time around this time of year, I am kind of like in denial because it's early enough for me to decorate and everything, but it's like, oh, it's still September, it's not close enough. But like Lush Halloween stuff, I know it's time. I actually texted Bradley today, like, hey, when you get home, we're gonna decorate. And don't worry, I will be uploading some sort of decorate with us or like decor tour, something along those lines, so that will be coming your way. But okay, I will shut up. I will go fix my hair because yikes. I'm gonna edit this as soon as I can and upload it as soon as I can. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.